You are going to love the 2014 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, engine immobilizer, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, keyless entry, satellite radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.